If you want to know how my husband prepared this delicious meal, keep on watching. Hello family, welcome back to the channel. This is day 3 of our $5 or less mukbang, marathon mukbang. So today we are making
tuna fish, curry tuna fish to be exact.
Curry tuna fish. So what you're going to need is a can of tuna fish. It can be in oil, in water, it can be any brand you want. Each of these cans was 74 cents. So in total, we spent about $4.50 just for the tuna. Everything else that you see here, we already have in our home, and I'm pretty sure you do as well. So again, you're going to need 5 cans of tuna fish. You can do 3 cans, 4 cans, it depends on your family size. You're going to need some thyme, tomato, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper if you like it spicy, onion, yellow pepper, green pepper, adobo, black pepper, curry, that's in the back, Old Bay, and our famous Everglades. So my husband is going to show you how to put it together, and we'll be right back.
Nice today, you know, like keep it different, you know, different color, different vibes. How much pepper you want? I think 2.
Yeah, you can put 2, cause they're kind of weak.
Yeah, pepper seed. Yeah, that's the hot part right there, the seed.
I'm going to show you how to make the curry tuna, and it takes literally 15 minutes to put together, and maybe another 10 minutes for it to simmer down and just, you know, and that's it. A 20-minute meal, can't beat that.
20-minute meal under $5.
Under $5.
Cheap and clean. Family, y'all will never know tuna fish could do this. Y'all gonna see today. Don't worry. You know, it's on deck coconut oil. You see that? Make sure, holla at me. We're working with today again versus coconut oil. You know, this is what we use to saute the vegetables, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I ain't turning my pot yet, I just put it in there. It's kind of warm still. I just want to get it right there, ready. So when I cut up the stuff, then I can just throw it on. All right now, family, you hear that? Now I'm gonna saute my vegetables. You know, right?
Man. Woo. The smell. It's so amazing.
You want to taste better?
So you want this to just simmer down for about 10 minutes just so that everything can come together and get a little soft, okay?
Here go the real deal. I throw my tuna fish. That's 5 cans for us, you know. I don't know how y'all want to do it, but 5 cans for us, cause you know, I love the meat. Oh shit, man, watch me say something.
Yeah, watch what you say because it's watch the Yes, guys, this is how it looks.
Okay.
It's not done yet, though.
Not done yet. Just stay right here. Stay right there. Don't go nowhere. I'm not done yet. Just stay there. Stay right there. Then, you know, take my seasoning now. Little adobo, as First Lady said. Remember? Right? Big one. Big one. Then. Some black pepper is fish, you know, gotta get that black pepper in there. You know? Obey, make sure. Gotta have that obey. Feel me? Masterpiece. Sorry, Everglades. You hear me? All right. Come on now. That's this thing right here. Okay. Then, a little bit of this.
Put it down a little bit, baby.
No. A little bit of that.
A little bit of curry.
Yes. You don't want too much, you know what I'm saying? Just to give it a little Come on now, don't do that. Don't do that on camera now. You know what I'm saying? Just a little. Okay.
Ooh.
That. Then, just want a little coloring, you know? Don't want too much. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna overpower it, you hear me?
That's true.
Yeah, just want a little coloring on it.
Doesn't that look good, guys? Oh my goodness.
And let this simmer down on low. For like about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. That's it.
This is the end result, guys. You see how that looks? So delicious. So delicious. Can't wait to eat it. I'll see you guys in a mukbang.